What's up, you guys? I'm doing a hygiene routine video. Okay. Last one that I did, I got like over 2,000 views. I thank you guys for that, because that really kind of like shot my YouTube off from where it used to be. I used to be at like 12 subscribers. Look at me now. Look at me now. Hey, it's not a lot, but I know that it's about to be a lot. So, okay. Babe over here, she keep on cutting her eyes at me. She's getting on my nerves. Okay, so y'all know how my hygiene routine video, y'all know how my hygiene goes. If you don't know how it goes, I'm gonna explain it here. So pretty much when I get in the shower, I wash my hair. I actually washed my hair today because it was just like too nappy. I use Gorilla Snot on my hair, and that stuff had my stuff so nappy. So I was using Tresemme before, but I'm using VO5 again. I don't really see the difference in it. It's just if I do not use conditioner, my hair is dry as crap. Because I only wash my hair, I wash my hair twice versus just the one time. And I do that because I don't wash my hair on a daily basis. So I'm on the VO5. This is the dry scalp one, and it works really good. It's got almond oil in it. So yeah. I wash my hair really good twice. I'll rinse it out, put my conditioner in, comb it out really good, rinse it out. Boom. Okay. Last time I was using Zest. This time I'm using Dial. This is the regular gold bar, y'all. Honestly, there's no point in washing with a whole bunch of scented. You know, I mean, it's okay in some cases, but there's really no point. Like, I mean, I do like to smell good, but I mean, this has me smelling fresh and clean, so why would I do all the extra? You know, I can just get out, put lotion on, spray my perfume on. You don't have to have a really extra, you know, hygiene routine. I'm a very basic person, okay? I've been basic. Okay? Okay. I don't have a lot of items on this table here, so it might be a kind of short video, just depending on how much I talk. So, like I said, I'll take my Dial, I'll take my rag, scrub really good, you know, get it all lathered up, right? Then I'll go in, I'll wash my ears really good. I wash my inside of my ears and my little earring holes. After that, I'll wash my under armpits really good. It's very important that you wash all of that old deodorant off your underarms, because if you don't, it will cause you to have some funky arms. That's the only way to put it. And if you are experiencing that, try that, you know, wash your underarms really good. If not, you may need to change your deodorant. I'll get all into that. So yeah, so once I'm done washing my underarms, I'll just wash up under my breast. I'll wash all the way down, my arms, my back, my neck. Literally, my whole body's gonna be sudsed up, okay? And it's really important that you re-soap your rag several times throughout your shower, okay? You don't just soap it one time and wash your whole body. That's nasty. You have to, like, this is how I go. So I wash my ears, rinse my rag off, suds it back up, do my underarms, rinse it off, I'll suds it back up. I wash all my whole stomach, my back, my arms, I'll rinse it off. I'll take my rag, rinse it off, suds it up, and I wash my one leg and my feet in between my toes. Okay, I rinse it off. I do the other leg. And whenever I'm washing my badge and my butt, I'm changing that out too. I'm rinsing it off too, right? You have to, because I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like you're applying dirt on areas that are already dirty. You know what I mean? So just re-suds up your rag. 2 seconds. Boom. Okay. So after that, I'll do one leg. I wash my whole entire leg. You want to wash your legs, and you really want to wash your feet, because wash in between each toe. And like, these are simple things, minor things, but not everybody is raised to know about hygiene. That is why I do these videos. And then there's people out here that really enjoy this. Oh, I did not know that. I use the black soap too. I do this. Blah, 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 blah. Okay? So, so once I'm done with my legs, I rinse off my whole body. I rinse off my rag. And I'll go in with my soap, suds my rag up, and I'll start washing the crevices of my vagina. And I'm talking about, what is that called? The bikini lines. So it's, you know how we're like this, right? Okay, the vagina's like this. I'm washing the whole triangle really good because we sweat up in there all freaking day. You have to wash that. So I scrub mine at least 3 times. Okay, you don't want to scrub it too much because then it'll get irritated. So I'll scrub the outside skin, like where we shave and all that. I wash around my labias. I wash around my clit. I wash around all that skin that's up in there. Because, like I said, walking, sweating, whatever. You want to get that really good. Now, you're not supposed to put soap in your hole. So do not wash your hole with soap. Rinse your rag off really good, and wash your hole with your rag and water. There's no smells coming from there, so you do not need to be putting soap in there. Now, if there is smells, you probably gonna have to go to the doctor. But yeah. Another thing that I do whenever I am washing my vag, this can, for me, it can keep yeast infections away, and it helps to get rid of yeast infections. Okay, you can get yeast infections for a variety of reasons, but this is a very inexpensive way to get rid of your yeast infections. Okay, this is raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. You probably can't see. If y'all can tell, I skimped the heck out of my eyebrow, but we can carry on. But it's the mother one. So if you are going to be using apple cider vinegar, you definitely want to use the mother, because that's the one that gets you all the way together. What I usually do is I'll get a bottle of water. It's unopened, okay? You want to get you a bottle of water, open up this, and just pour a good little amount in there. You don't want to pour too much. You really just want it to be enough to where you can kind of see that the color's changed. You don't want to pour too much because it is acidic at the end of the day. Okay. Usually what I'll do is I'll pour it on my vagina, my labias, everything. It's not going to hurt it. Sometimes I'll even squirt it up my hole, like not douching, but you know, like, that might be TMI, but it really does work for me. So yeah, that really does help. Whenever I go to wash my booty, now, girls, y'all need to be good, seriously, because the butt is like, if it's not clean, if it's got some funks, you could smell it. Okay, you don't want your butt stinking. You do not want your butt stinking. Pretty much, it's really self-explanatory. I don't wash inside of my booty hole, but I wash on the outside, and I wash it until I cannot smell anything out of our butt. So I smell my rag to make sure that I'm smelling good. So I'll keep doing, but and then you wash you a little bit more. Okay, you good now? I'm just being real, y'all. Like, I'm being real, raw, and honest with y'all, because this is what it is. Hygiene is a very, I don't know what's a good word to call it, babe. Very important. Very important. So after that, I'll go in and I'll rinse everything off, and I'll wash my face, and I'll get out, draw off really good. Make sure that you're drying your body off really good, because that can cause you to be funky all over again. You don't want to be moist in your clothes. You know, dry off good, dry your butt good, dry your vagina good. Okay. When I get out of the shower, I'll start to get my clothes on. Before I do all that, I'm gonna lotion up really, really good. I have an issue with this. It's not exfoliating, but lotioning myself. I guess because like all my life I've never lotioned, and then now it's like, dang, bitch, you ashy. So yeah, definitely lotion yourself up. Okay. I'm still using the same lotion. I'm still using the same deodorant. It's the Secrets, the gel kind. For a person like me that has the arm funks, this does really, really good. I don't reapply, and at the end of the day, my arms are not stinking. So this is good for me. I don't know about anybody else, but really with deodorants, you have to try, see what works best for you, because some deodorants might have you funky afterwards. Some might not. You know, like, you will find the right deodorant. I can say Secret's good, Degree is good. I've used them before. What's another deodorant? Arm & Hammer is a good one. I think that's it. But anyways, y'all. Oh wait, one more thing, because this is a very important thing, you guys. This is the toothpaste that I use. It's like $1 at Walmart. Anywhere you buy it from, it's $1. $1. It's AIM. It's the gel deodorant. It's the gel toothpaste. I will not use any other toothpaste because I feel like they're too cakey. You know, like they're like, I don't know. Comment down below if you know what I mean. I don't like it, so I use the AIM. The AIM works so good for me. If you're going to be brushing your teeth, you want to make sure that you brush your tongue. Not everybody knows to do that, but you need to get up in there. Brush the back of your tongue. Brush the front of your tongue. Look at your tongue. See what color it is. Like, you know, see what color it is. If it's got plaque on it still, keep brushing. Brush the back of your tongue, because that is where all the funk is holding. When you wake up in the morning and you have morning breath, all your funk is inside, or not inside, on your tongue. Now, if you tried all that and you still have a smell, you might have something else going on there, you know. So this is the end of my video. This is my, oh shoot, y'all, I got a sharp pen right here. This is my hygiene thing. Comment, like, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'll be doing some more videos, guys, especially with Babe. So I'm out.